Have you ever thought about working online from a cruise ship? Hi, I'm Elizabeth. I ended up on celebrity cruises all over the world because Abraham Hicks was giving a seminar on board, and honestly, that always makes it a very easy yes for me. But while I was there, I quickly discovered something I didn't expect. A cruise is actually one of the best setups for working remotely. No airports, no repacking every few days, just slow travel with an office built in. I worked online as a guest on celebrity cruises from Australia, New Zealand to the Caribbean, Scandinavia and Alaska. And in this video I'm sharing the 3 big advantages I discovered that make cruise life surprisingly great for remote work. And if you are curious about the downsides too, I made a separate video on that. Alright, let's just dive in. So reason number 1 is it puts you into a creative bubble. Life on board breaks you out of your usual routine when you are surrounded by a completely different environment. And on a luxury ship, everything's often feel more comfortable and more elevated than at home. And I found that being in such a beautiful, calm setting generally boosts my creativity. The comfort of my cabin, the sea views, the rhythm of the days, it just gives this feeling of freedom and expansion. And it helps me to stay in a creative flow and do my very best work. Reason number 2 is staying connected to people and to tech. When you work remotely, how important a strong, reliable Wi-Fi is for online calls, uploading videos or sharing large files. And compared to remote places on land, where internet can sometimes be a hit or miss, I found that the premium Wi-Fi package on celebrity cruises is quite stable. It surprised me though. Sure, the signal can occasionally drop due to weather conditions, but that doesn't happen often, and most of the time you'll enjoy a really stable connection. If you plan to do more than just browsing and emailing, I really recommend upgrading to the premium Wi-Fi. It is truly worth every cent. But you know, it is not just the tech. I mean, it's also the people. You naturally meet other remote workers and interesting travelers. And because everyone is in holiday mode, starting a conversation and building connections feels really easy. For example, I joined an Abraham Hicks seminar on board because I'm inspired about everything about Abraham Hicks. But you know, I met so many people that were there for the same reasons, and that kind of connection is so incredible uplifting. So I had a great time. So reason number 3 is your hotel moves with you, and this might be the best reason of all. No constantly packing, unpacking, rushing to get trains or flights. Instead of that, your cabin is your base for the entire trip, complete with twice daily housekeeping and laundry options. I mean, everything is taken care of, so you can spend all your energy on your work. And while you slowly wake up after a good night of sleep, the ship has already brought you to another beautiful new place. And today, that beautiful new place is Fish Bay. Because my base stays the same, I waste 0 energy resettling every 2 days. I can work in the mornings, and once the ship is docked, I can easily go explore the area for a couple of hours without it costing me a ton of time or effort. So in this way, everything gets delivered to your doorstep and you end up with more time, more ease and more focus to produce your very best work. And that's why working remotely from a cruise ship can be surprisingly great. If you also want to know the downsides, I made a separate video for that. Thank you for watching and let me know in the comments, could you see yourself working online from a cruise ship?